Pretty cool sunrise this morning. Just enough clouds to kind of block it. Almost creepy, right? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 65, which means I have 300 more of these days left. Wow, seems like a big number when I say it out loud. Anyway, it's also the last day of January. Hard to believe that January is already over, and we're moving on to February. February is kind of our last semi-calm month, and then everything starts to kick off. Daytona, spring fling in April. Our lives start to get busy again, as if they're not busy enough already. Yeah, we got a busy day today. Tonight we have a content creators workshop all about social media analytics in our Support Bikers Content Creators Facebook group. Yes, we have a Facebook group all for people that are moto content creators. So if you are a moto content creator and you're watching this, go to Facebook, look up Support Bikers Content Creators, and ask to join the group. It's just a bunch of people that are doing the same thing you are. We can hang out, talk shop, talk cameras, analytics. Monetization is, I think, 2 weeks from now. Don't quote me on that. Have to look it up. Have to join the group. Have to look it up. Anyway, so we got that workshop tonight. All right, the leaders of that group are Desiree, Wind Road Therapy, as you know her. Look her up. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Toby Northern of the Toby Northern channel. You can look him up in all those places too. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. It was kind of their idea, and we had the Support Bikers brand, so we're like, all right, we'll help. And ta-da, Support Bikers Content Creators. Anyway, that's tonight, which is last night for you guys watching this today. But they are recorded, so if you go in the group, you could see all of our workshops. And we've done a lot over the past year. So join it, check all those out. And I'm gonna finish this workout and go get some coffee. We'll see you in a few. Ah, there's the sun. I like the sun. All right. Day 65. I'm getting some of my breath. It's like in the 60s. What the hell? My breath's just that much hotter, huh? From working out? I don't know. Anyway, workout's done. Time to get to work. I got a lot to do today. And it's Tuesday. So, it's time to go get some coffee. Get out of this bright ass sun. Man, that's bright. Holy moly. And see you in a few. Guess what time it is? Mail time. Which also means time for a bike ride. See if she'll start today. gets any better than this. Welcome to winter in Florida. Alright, so I wasn't expecting a package, but this one is from Snap Mounts, which means it's more donations for the Route 66 run. We'll get home, open it up, show you what it's all about. It just doesn't matter if it's around the block or across the country. I love riding fucking motorcycles. There's nothing else to it. Alright guys, just got done with the workshop. We're behind the scenes, just hanging out, talking to our friends and our family, and I muted myself so that it would be good. But anyway, we are in the back green room, and I haven't got to talk to these guys for a while. So anyway, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.